Hey friend, it's Chrissy Faith here and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video, I will be discussing how sea moss helped me lose 30 pounds during this weight loss journey. So sea moss is definitely not something that you could just take and do nothing else and you're going to lose weight. You definitely still have to diet and exercise. But sea moss has helped me tremendously in my journey. So I wanted to share the 3 ways I use sea moss to help me lose weight. I am also in this video will be talking about briefly about what sea moss gel actually is for those who don't know, and also where I get my sea moss gel. So if you are interested in knowing how sea moss aided in helping me to lose 30 pounds, girl, 30 pounds during quarantine, make sure that you continue to watch this video all the way through. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Become my friend, girl. We friends, okay? Yes. So if you are interested and you want to know how I lost my weight, how I used the sea moss gel, just make sure that you continue to watch this video and let's get straight into it. My sea moss here. This is from vitamincgel.com. Sea moss, she is amazing. Nikki the Soul Connect, y'all have to follow her on her social media. She is amazing and she's so knowledgeable. She does not add any sugar to her sea moss. This is fresh fruit. This is strawberry and this is the original. I will be using both the original in the smoothies, and I'll probably just be taking a shot of this or using the strawberry. And when I say a shot, just like a scoop, a tablespoon of this in the morning, or also you can put this in my tea. So I will be showing you how I use the sea moss gel. So if you don't know about sea moss gel contains 92 of the 102 minerals that our body needs. This is amazing. This is what I've been using also to lose my weight. This has helped clear my skin as well. This has helped me get so much energy, decrease my bloating, keeps me regular. It's just amazing. You have to do your research. Hey, so for those who don't know, just to break it down, in the simplest form, I could basically say like sea moss is basically a sea vegetable. It is amazing. It is filled with so many nutrients that your body needs. It has potassium, calcium, iodine, zinc, phosphorus, magnesium, and so much more. It is 100% plant-based. And just to name a few of the benefits that sea moss helps with, it boosts your immune system, it excretes mucus from the body, it decreases inflammation, it helps with your hair, nails, and your skin, it removes toxins from your body, it aids with digestion, and so much more. There are so many benefits to using it, and it's just filled with so many nutrients, so it's definitely going to help in every way, shape, or form. But make sure you definitely do your own research when it comes down to sea moss, and make sure that it is aligned with any other medical history that you may have. But that's just to break it down shortly and sweet. Like, sea moss basically is a vegetable from the sea that helps you out, girl. Eat your vegetables from the sea, from the earth, everywhere. They're all good for you. All right, let's get back into it. All right, y'all. So this is what I'm starting off this morning. Do my tea. So I'm going to be putting my strawberry sea moss in my tea this morning. It's raspberry ginger tea. Plus this strawberry sea moss, when I tell you guys, It tastes like the little berry drink from Starbucks. It is so good. On top of the fact that you're getting so much nutrients from your sea moss shell. Probably gonna put, all you need is one. I'm just gonna do one right there. I'm gonna let that steep for a little bit. Then I'm going to put, actually I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon in here. Yeah. It just tastes like berries. It's still hot, but I like hot stuff in the morning. Some berries, some baby spinach, cheesies, of course, some sea moss. Okay, sea moss.